Hello traders, today is February 10th, Monday. We're going to do a little Sonic trading system. I'm going to show you not only the NinjaTrader version, but also the TradingView. So for those of you who are using TradingView, you're going to be able to see the signals on that charting platform. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So currently I'm using the E-mini S&P. You can use the micro. It's about 1125, 1130, and we see a few short signals already. In this chart, I have the Trade Scalper as well as the Sonic trading system. And I do that because I always want to confirm that there are signals that are either going in the same direction short or long. I don't want to go against either one of these. They're both based on price action and they're completely unique and different. And for a limited time, we do include the Trade Scalper as a bonus with the Sonic system. Okay, we have a signal here. It's 6084. This is a short signal. I'm using the ATM strategy from NinjaTrader to have the targets and stops automatically placed for me. It's semi-automated, perfectly acceptable for Apex and for other funded trading accounts. Usually I like to get a better price. I actually entered at the price the system told me, but I always recommend, based on the risk-to-reward ratio, to try for a better price. So had I been patient, I should have gotten at least a point better, and that would have been obviously a better risk to reward ratio. Now the market's going down in my favor. The one thing I like to see is almost an immediate move in my favor. I don't like it when it starts to flop around and go sideways and it's taking a very long time for it to do something. So the sooner it gets to our general area of target, the better it is. Okay, we also have an audible alert as well as a text included with the Sonic system. So you hear an audible alert, you can actually choose the sound that you like. If you want to hear the shooting sound, which is defaulted, or you can choose your own sound and the exact order. Now I'm going to add the text and marker, which allows me to see the exact price where I entered, 6084, and my exit. So it lines up to what the system is telling me. Now let me show you the TradingView version. I'm using live data. This is a live chart. I pay for live data, so this is not delayed data or anything along the line. Simulated data, it's live data. So you can see here it's the same signal, 6084 on the TradingView. It also has the filter. You can turn on or turn off the shaded areas that are setting up the signal. I have here all the day trade to win software on TradingView, you can see. And I also want to make sure that the market's not overly strong or overly volatile or even too slow, because you have to remember when the market's too slow or too volatile, it's harder to trade. The stops become larger. It takes a long time for something to happen. So just something to consider. The actual market conditions, we use the ATR, the average true range, to tell us whether or not it's even worth trading. I'm using a 1-minute chart on both NinjaTrader and TradingView, and there it is, 6082.50 on TradingView to go short. This is a new signal. Now I'm going to switch it over and I'm going to show you side by side the NinjaTrader version to see if we got the exact signal, 6082.50. And there it is, 6082.50 on NinjaTrader. Let me just set this up here so it looks a little bit nicer. Maybe I'll even go side by side so both charts are side by side. Now you can see that the market is retracing a little bit. And I always try, this is a great recommendation, a great example, I always try for a better price. Even though you may miss out on the trade sometimes, but if you're getting a point or 2 points better, to me, that it makes all the difference, because now the target's larger, my risk is smaller, and if the market gets stopped out or if the trade stops me out, it's less than the original stop. So when I enter into a trade, I look at the risk to reward ratio. Where's the stop? Where is the target? And I base my entry whether or not it's even worth it. Sometimes the stops are too large and it's not worth it. So you have that decision making on your hands to say whether or not maybe the stop is too big for your threshold and you don't want to go into that trade. So I like the fact that I'm able to be in control and even to get a better price. So 60, 82, 50 for both NinjaTrader and TradingView. The Everything looks the same to me. The filter is the same. We have that filter up there, making sure we're on the right side of the market. I'm using NinjaTrader to place the orders because I have a NinjaTrader account, and I'm using the ATM strategy, which I really like. But there's a lot of traders using TradingView with the Sonic, with the Trade Scalper, with the Atlas line. All right, we're waiting for this to go through our price. I'm almost there, and target hit. 60.81. The entry was 60.83. Cool, $100, 2 points, one contract. Now remember, if you're trading multiple contracts, it could be $200, $400, $600, $800 in one trade. But start small. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com. Sign up for a free member account. Get the Sonic system for NinjaTrader or TradingView, and I'll see you at the next video. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.